Oh man, I feel the breeze right here.
Can't slide, you can't drive.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's criminal. Whether it's private property or not, that's criminal. That's a dangerous operation of a motorcycle.
His rims. You see that guy there? He loves them so much. Making sure that Ricardo is.
These new rims?
Maverick, beautiful. Fuels. Yeah, they're gonna look really nice.
That matte black too.
Yeah. Heavy duty 2500. He tolls a lot with it.
So it's a work truck.
So work truck.
Ballin' work truck.
You have to work, buddy.
You can't get those without working. Mr. Slim just doesn't give them out for free.
No, for him, free.
Oh, what?
Yeah, man, this guy's
Okay, it's free.
VIP.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have to work it.
Not for everyone. Don't come here expecting free wheels.
No, they're.
For some people.
You know, VIP.
For the people who benefit too fast.
Yes, he's gonna be doing snow plow in the whole plaza free of charge for 5 years.
That's actually. So, Ricardo, I assume that this is what's needed to be fixed on the car? This back wheel?
Very smart. It's not easy to find.
Oh, lordy lord. Now, based off the car and the accident, I automatically assumed it was like drifted into something, like a curb or something. But I'm told that he was actually cut off in traffic. So, I'm sorry, bro, that this happened to your car. But don't worry, Ricardo's got you. He'll get it fixed, no problem. I can notice what is wrong. This is an L. That is an I. The letters do not match. Honestly though, the extent of the damage doesn't seem like ridiculous. If my pro mechanic eyes tell me right, it might just be this. If you guys look at it, you can see that it's pretty much straight now, but just an alignment and it should get fixed. So hopefully once that's done, back to straight. a customer bike or is this yours?
No, this is one of my buddies. Yeah.
One of your buddies? Okay.
We're doing a mid-pipe for it.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, we're gonna keep the stock muffler and make a mid-pipe.
So it's just gonna be louder?
It's gonna be louder and faster. After he tunes it, it'll be a significant amount of power.
Because that is a big muffler right there.
Well, there's also a cat built in there.
Built into the muffler?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
There we go.
How strong is this guy? It's scared.
It's strong, strong. Yeah, we don't normally work on bikes, but random times we do. Now it makes me think, should we get a bike hoist? You know?
Get a bike hoist?
Yeah, they're not that expensive in there. It's better than these guys working on the floor.
That is true.
Nah,
So it's
we're
gonna go
build a
straight
bike.
from that pipe into that?
Yeah.
That's gonna be loud, bro.
Oh yeah. Well, that's, you know,
That's how he likes it.
on a bike, when you have a helmet on, it's still gonna be loud, but
What do they say? Loud pipes
prefer it
save
loud.
lives?
Yeah, loud pipes save.
There you go. You'll definitely know this man's coming into your lane.
Yeah, it's 1,000. It's gonna sound crazy.
We're gonna hear it once it's all done, right?
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah. So you can see right, where is it? Right there. Header's end. They're gonna make a pipe. Out there, loud noise.
Hey, young Swish, roll up.
That's my bad boy.
I would prefer it in that position. Ricardo, right there where you have it. But I mean, if you can't, you can't. If I have a girl sitting here, it's way too close to the back of her shoe. It's gonna melt the shoe.
Where do you want it? In here?
Like right there, yeah. I mean, if you can bring it down a bit more, it would be good. If not, that's fine.
I can do it. I can make a pipe for that.
So you can, because I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put this aluminum pipe in between my two titanium pipes, so it's gonna look, you know, but no one's gonna ever know.
I'm gonna make sure this
Sneaky.
clean, bro.
I hear loud noises. I'm going to investigate. I heard loud noises, so I came.
That's what she said.
Very good. Oh man, I feel the breeze right here. Standing right here, I smell it all, bro. You put the heat wrap on it too.
Yeah. That's condensation. It means it's running healthy.
The fuel ratio is good, I think. What keeps getting in my mouth, yo? What keeps flying in my mouth?
It's water. It's water.
It sounds nice. Very nice.
Slim, you want to delete a muffler on a Jeep?
Not today.
TooFast TV.
Hey. Yeah. He already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Yankish.
So high off this rubber.
Your laughter gets every time.
You can't slide. You can't drive. It is what it is.